Hello, my name is Michael McKenna, and I'm going to teach you how to make a paper airplane. First step, you're going to fold the edges in towards the middle, like so. Make sure they're firm, so they're nice and aerodynamic, like this. Second step, you're going to fold the piece of paper in half vertically, creating kind of like the hot dog thing. It's going to look like this. The inside's going to look like this. Third step, it's a bit of a toughie, but I think we could figure it out. You're going to take a flap from each side, fold it in half, very firmly. So something like this. And then you're going to take the other side, do the same thing, make sure it's nice and symmetrical. And then, for style, fold these little back flaps up like this. A little better look. And this is how you make a paper airplane. Special thank you to amygriggs.blogspot.com and paperkids.wordpress.com.